Hey, I'm Joe with Vogel Heating and Cooling. You just had an Infinity control installed. How are you going to work this thing? Let me show you. So here's your main screen, and right off the bat you're going to have date, time, your room temperature here, as well as the outdoor temperature down at the bottom. If you have these bars at the top corner, you've already been connected to Wi-Fi. Click anywhere on the screen to change it to your main menu. At the top right corner, the most important feature is your mode. What are you going to set it at? Heat, cooling, fan, or auto? Auto will give you the option to switch between cooling and heat. If it's one of those Missouri days we all experience, we'll start out around 55 degrees in the morning, 50 degrees in the morning. We don't want it that cold. Auto will make sure it doesn't drop below 68 in your house or whatever you want to set it at. But as the day moves on and you've already left, you can't change the thermostat without Wi-Fi, that's okay. You can set it to not let your house get any hotter than this cooling temperature. Auto is a very handy feature. So next we're going to come over to features. And here we'll be able to control your fan and your humidity levels. At the bottom it'll tell you in this menu whether or not your Infinity is connected to the internet. Our fan options are anywhere from between auto, low, medium, and high. Low, medium, and high will be continuous fan for extra filtration or to help mix air in the house for more even temperatures. You can set it on what fan speed you like. Some are noisier than others. Auto means that the unit will use it only when it needs the fan, when it needs to heat or cool. Next, we're going to get into this touch and go square here, and this is all about comfort profiles. If you haven't yet watched our video about comfort profiles, please click here. If you have, here we go. In this touch and go box, you'll have the button manual here. Press it to bring up your 4 options of comfort profiles that we had set up earlier. This allows you to switch to that exact predetermined settings in the press of one button. Home, away, or sleep. And as you see, the temperatures are changing over here as I press these. That was the rundown of the main screen of the Carrier Infinity thermostat. I'm Joe with Vogel. Thanks for watching.